My name is George Sveba. I'm from Georgia, and I just want to say, Dr. Nuri and his team, big thanks. I was enjoyed all experience, and I was happy to see my teeth done so perfectly. I loved it all the way, and at first when I came here, I was afraid to start to build my teeth, but now everything is done, and it was so painful, and thing was so nice to me. I enjoyed all the way, and I want to thank all team, Dr. Nuri, for everything what he done for me. It is perfect now. I'm like new man, younger, and I'm so happy. Thank you very much.